bag. It's an Ikea bag. Yeah. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to my channel. My name is Crystal. To the newcomers, welcome. Welcome to the old-timers, welcome back. You can help me grow my channel by clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell. Hi guys, how have you been? I hope you're all having a good week. Today we're gonna be doing something for the DIY. Yes. So this is something different because I'm making a whole outfit. Yeah. I've never done a whole outfit before, and I've never done an outfit made out of bags. Not just a bag. It's an Ikea bag. This is the Ikea bag, the famous Ikea bag. I know that Ikea actually released a clothing line, so they have some hoodie, t-shirt, they even have some bags. But it's already sold out here, and you know what? I'm making an outfit out of the blue bags. I saw some people doing it online anyway here on YouTube, but I want to make my own take on this Ikea bags OOTD. So let's start making some OOTDs. First item out of these Ikea bags, we're gonna cut it, of course, because it's quite big anyway, so I bought a few of these. First item I'm gonna be making is a corset. If you've been following my channel, you know that I have a separate corset tutorial video, so I'm just gonna put in the link here and you can just click it and do the tutorial for the corset. Yeah, so what we do is step number 1 for the corset, we have to cut the bag. After we cut the bag, because I have the pattern, so that's easy. After we cut it, we're gonna sew it. So we have to cut 2 because I have also a lining fabric, so it's not so hot and it's quite comfortable inside. Yeah, so I have a lining fabric, this white fabric. Yep. So once we cut everything, we have to connect it. Yeah, after we connect, I actually made the handle. So I made the Ikea handle as a strap. I think it's a nice addition to it, yeah. And also for the grommets area, I also use the Ikea handles, yeah. Also, we have to put some ribbing on this one, and the ribbing, as usual as the corset, is we use a cable ties. After we've done all the steps, what's gonna happen now is we're gonna have a voila corset. So this is my Ikea corset. I like it. So these are the handles. I'll make it as a strap, and the back you can see more details. So this is also from the handle. Yeah, so I put the grommets on that one. So this ribbon is, I bought it myself online. So that's the lining fabric, so it's not so itchy or uncomfortable. Yeah, so voila, corset. So you can see I also put the ribbing, just like my other corsets. Yeah, amazing. Voila! Okay, for the second item that I'm making for this OOTD outfit, yeah, so I'm gonna be making a skirt because obviously it's so much easier to make a skirt, yeah. So what we do is we cut it. So I have my old skirt. I'm just copying the design for it, just the shape and the size, yeah. So we cut the fabric, not the fabric, the Ikea bag, and obviously we need to have a lining fabric again. That's why I have this white fabric, yeah. So we're just gonna connect it and we're gonna sew it, and we sew, and voila! We're gonna have a Ikea skirt. So for this skirt, I don't know, I just designed it like this because what happened is it was actually a bit small because this fabric, the Ikea bag, is actually not stretchable, yeah. So I needed to add more fabric to it, yeah. Some more of the bag, so I cut it, and yeah, I have to tweak the design because it didn't work at first, so I have to change it. And of course, I added some zipper, and the handle of the Ikea bag is very important detail because I put it as a lining for the band, yeah. And I have this very nice detail for this skirt. Can't wait to show you. Wait. Voila! So this is the skirt. I think it's quite cute and sexy. So look at that detail of the Ikea handles. So it's there. Yeah. Don't worry, later I'm gonna wear it, of course. Quite nice. I like it. It looks so big though. See, I told you I had a problem with the fabric because I cut it a bit small. So I have to add this area here. So this area is the additional because I'm a bit big. Yeah. So this is the Ikea skirt. The third item to complete the OOTD is, of course, bag, I wanted to make a baguette bag. Yeah. So I just have this pattern for the bag. So I cut the Ikea bags, of course. And I made also a lining fabric for this, so the inside is not blue. Yeah. So I have this canvas fabric. It's an extra fabric. Yeah. And put some handle into it. The Ikea handle, I made it into handle section. And then I put some zipper into it. Voila! There goes my Ikea baguette bag. Not bad. It's not just a bag. It's an Ikea bag. Yeah. Yeah. So this is like those baguette bags, you know, the 2000 bags. So that's what I copied the design of. So you can open it up. See? Inside there's a canvas fabric. Not bad. Ooh. So this is my IKEA outfit. So this is the corset. I like the back. And this is my baguette bag. I like the detail of the skirt. Yeah. I know it's a crazy idea, but I actually made it. Why not? Yeah. It's not bad, right? I made a corset, a skirt, and a baguette bag. So it's an OOTD, guys. It's fun. I really enjoy doing this IKEA bags outfit idea.